guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to showing you how to build 5-channel bench power supply with continuity tester. Project requirements: 7805 voltage regulator, 7812 voltage regulator, 7809 voltage regulator, LM317 adjustable voltage regulator, digital voltmeter and ammeter monitor panel. By link in the video description. 12 volt 3 amp transformer, buzzer, bigger size heatsink, 12 volt DC fan, PCB, 6-channel rotary switch. By link in the video description. 4700 UF 50 volt capacitor, 100K potentiometer, rocker switch 1-way and 2-way, screw type connectors, IC 555, power cable, 1 kilo resistor 2-piece and 1 ohm resistor, in 4007 diode 4-piece, 100 UF 25 volt capacitor, plastic enclosure. Let's start. Set up the 12 volt 3 amp transformer. Set up the N4007 diode. Set up 4700 UF 50 volt capacitor. Connect transformer first line and second line on diode input. Connect 4700 UF capacitor positive pin on diode positive pin. Connect 4700 UF capacitor negative pin on diode negative pin. Set up to LM7805. Set up to LM7812. Set up LM7809. Set up LM317. 4 regulators first pin connect on LM317 third pin. Connect 4 regulators second pin. Set up 1 kilo resistor on LM317 regulator first pin and second pin. Set up 100K potentiometer. 100K potentiometer second pin connect on LM317 regulator first pin. 100K potentiometer third pin connect on ground. Set up the rotary switch. Second regulator IC third pin connect on rotary switch first pin. Third regulator IC third pin connect on rotary switch second pin. Fifth regulator IC third pin connect on rotary switch third pin. Sixth regulator IC second pin connect on rotary switch fourth pin. Not for first pin. Circuit showing as a first pin but it's editing mistake. Connect regulators positive line on 4700 UF capacitor positive pin. Connect regulators negative line on 4700 UF capacitor negative pin. Connect rotary switch 5th pin on 4700 UF capacitor positive pin. Set up the digital voltmeter. Connect voltmeter red wire on first regulator IC third pin. Connect voltmeter black wire on ground. Connect voltmeter yellow wire on rotary switch 6th pin. Connect voltmeter big size black wire on ground. Set up the 2-way rocker switch. Rocker switch middle pin goes on output positive. Rocker switch first pin connect on rotary switch 6th pin. Connect voltmeter big size red wire goes on output ground. Set up the IC 555. Connect 1 kilo resistor on IC 555 8th pin and 7th pin. Another 1 kilo resistor connect on IC 555 7th pin. 1 kilo resistor another pin connect on 1 ohm resistor. Connect IC 555 second pin and 6th pin. Connect 1 ohm resistor another pin goes on IC 555 6th pin. Connect IC 555 4th pin and 8th pin. Connect 100 UF capacitor positive pin on IC 555 second pin. Negative pin connect on IC 555 first pin. Connect IC 555 8th pin on first regulator IC third pin. Connect IC 555 first pin on ground. Set up the buzzer. Buzzer positive pin connect on IC 555 third pin. Buzzer negative pin connect on two-way rocker switch third pin. Set up the 12 volt fan. fan positive and connect on fourth regulator third pin. Fan negative and connect on ground. Circuit setup is completed. Let's check. Connect the output terminal cable. Output load I am using 12-volt DC motor. Change the mode to power supply. Set the output power. Output power is 5 volt. Now the motor is operated on 5 volt. Set up the output on 9 volt. Now the motor is operated on 9 volt. Set up the output on 12 volt. Now the motor is operated on 12 volt.
It's all about humanity.
Now the output is set up on adjustable power supply mode.
It's all about humanity.
Set up the output on transformer direct output. Now the motor is operated on direct transformer out. Now change the mode on continuity tester. Shortly output terminals will beep sound is generated. I will use as the old circuit board for testing continuity.
It's all about humanity.